Welcome everyone to another Black Country Homebrew video. Sorry I haven't uploaded for a while, it's been a crazy few years to say the least. A lot moving about, a lot of job changes, but I'm finally settled down and now living in Yorkshire. So today I'm going to start homebrewing again, and we've got the Young's Chardonnay Starter Kit, which I picked up from the local brew shop the other day because most of my brewing stuff's still down in Wolverhampton. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make it. The first thing you need to do after everything's sanitised is fill your fermentation bucket with 1 litre of hot water, which is what I've just done there. And then you add the sugar, which you need to purchase yourself. I haven't got any brewing sugar, so I'm just using silver spoon granulated sugar. So 900 grams of this goes in here. And then we're going to give that a stir. So after giving that a stir for 30 seconds, the next thing we're going to do is add the grape concentrate. So once that's added, we're going to give that a stir for 30 seconds. I am just going to top this up with a bit of water and tip it in to make sure it's all out. So now with that, we've mixed that for 30 seconds and it's all mixed together and dissolved in. We're going to fill the water up to the 4.8 litre mark. Today I'm using Island Spring water. Don't really like tap water when I'm brewing, so. There we go. Now that we're up to 4.8 litres, I'm just going to give this all another stir, make sure that it's all mixed in together. It smells absolutely incredible, not going to lie. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to take a hydrometer reading. So we're looking at 1086 on this wine starting gravity. After we took the hydrometer reading, I'm now going to stick the yeast and nutrient into the wine. So simple as, I'm just going to sprinkle this on top and pitch the yeast. Making sure it's all out. I do also have some French oak chips which now need to go in at this point of the brew, so I'm going to put these in and I'll see you after I put these in. After we've done that, it now says give it a stir for 30 seconds, which I'm just going to do. With this brew, I've decided that I'm actually going to ferment it in a demijohn. However, just thought it'd be a bit easier to prep it in this fermentation bucket and then transfer it across, which I'm going to do in a second. I'll see you after I've done that. You can see it's now transferred into my 5 litre demijohn. I'm now going to leave this for the next 6 days, where fermentation should hopefully be completed by the end. We're then going to add the finings and the clearings stabiliser after the 6 days. Leave for 24 hours and then hopefully it should be ready to bottle. See you in the next video.